Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. When it comes to creating the perfect study or workspace, the choice of furniture is crucial in the context. Highly sought after study chair designs and premier chair styles play a pivotal role. These chairs are not just functional but also add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your study or office environment. The demand of these study chair designs is on the rise, and it's not hard to see why. They offer a harmonious blend of comfort and style, making long study or work session or more pleasant experience. These chairs are not limited to a single design. They encompass a range of options that cater to different preferences, from minimalist and ergonomic design range of options that can cater to different preferences from minimalist and ergonomic designs to more opulent and ornate style. Incorporating these premier styles into your workspace not only enhances the aesthetical appeal but also to your overall productivity. The market is abundant with choices, ensuring that you can find a chair that perfectly complements your personal style and the overall design of a study or office space. In conclusion, when you're looking for the best in study chair designs, these highly sought after and premier chair styles are the way to go. They offer comfort and overall design to your study or free space. In conclusion, when you're looking for the best study chair design, these highly sought after and premier chair styles are the way to go. They offer comfort, functionality, and a touch of luxury that can transform your workspace into an inspiring and productive environment. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.